Looking for Jura Espresso machine for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Turn, Press, Enjoy. That's how easy it is to enter the world of Impressa. With the one-switch operating concept of the rotary switch and the 11-language plain text display, it's easy to create the perfect coffee every time. Thanks to the high-performance conical grinder, the beans are always freshly ground by Jura. Number 2, Multi-level grinder and micro-brewing unit for the ultimate espresso. Touch panel with 3 user-defined cup sizes and 2 aroma levels to choose from. The ultra-compact model, reduced to the absolute minimum. 9x 12.7 x 17.5 inches, another great product by Jura. Number 3, the compact one-to-notch machine from Jura can prepare the full range of specialties. From latte macchiato, cappuccino and milk foam to coffee, espresso or hot water at the touch of a button. And with its energy-saving mode, it also offers outstanding energy efficiency. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.